Hey gang, Fun Boy here. But you already know who I am. Okay, so it seems like last segment didn't really hit that well with the WrestleFestival Entertainment executives. Go figure. Who knows what they're looking for, right? I don't know. Luckily for me, Captain Custody has so much pull at the WrestleFestival, and reluctantly they decided to give me another shot. Good on them, is what I say. Anyway, there were a few ground rules that I do have to follow. Apparently, the show I did last time wasn't PC, and some of the language was deemed offensive. Go figure. I don't even curse. How can you be offensive if you don't curse? Whatever. So, one of the stipulations was I have to wear this earpiece, and a member of the public relations department is going to monitor me from the other room. So, whatever. He can talk to me through here if I'm off track or I say something offensive. Whatever. Anyway, I pitched a whole new idea to them. I know last time I did fails, but right now what's really trending on the internet, what's really trending are toy and collectible reviews. And no, I'm not talking about kids watching other kids play with toys. No, that's so stupid. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to focus more on the collectibles. Most importantly, the collectibles from the 1990s. Those are real hot right now. Everybody wants to get their hands on them. And personally, I think they're really cool. So I pitched that idea to them, and they seemed to really go for it. And they gave me a little bit of a budget so I can try some of the things that they suggest. Okay, we'll do that. I mean, personally, I think there is nothing wrong with another man watching another man pleasuring himself with these toys. What? Not like that. So, we're gonna call this segment
Fun Boys playing with fun toys.
What do you mean? Well, I'm Fun Boy, apostrophe S, and the segment's playing with fun toys. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get more weekly content from the WrestleFestival. Who doesn't love these episodes? They're so good. Don't worry. I'll wait. I know how slow some of you people can be. By the way, have y'all noticed how fat people have gotten on quarantine? Good lord. Some of you guys have more roles than Tyler Perry in a Tyler Perry movie. Directed by Tyler Perry. They wrote me some notes. Could you write any smaller? Jeez. Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing... Oh, wow, really? We have the budget for this? Okay, NECA's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles from the 1990s film. Fabulous. I have always wanted to get my hands on these things. What do you mean we don't really have the budget for this? Well, where'd you get them? Wish. Isn't that like a counterfeit website? Well, bring them out. Let's see what they look like. Unbelievable. I have to review these? Okay, well, they look decent. Wait a minute. Something seems a bit off. I don't think that's the right Donatello head. And this Michelangelo isn't even from the same collection. This is a frickin' Nickelodeon cartoon figure. Wait, hold on. Are these guns? These aren't even their signature weapons. And what the hell is that? Casey Jones? That's not Casey Jones. That's frickin' Sting from WCW. Look at this. You see this Leonardo? Look at his freaking eyes. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna even call this thing Leonardo. We're gonna call him Ed. Yeah, that's right. And Ed here, he's special. He's special. I guess I have to review these things. What can I say? Raphael's pretty cool. But the rest of the collection kind of sucks. They don't even come with the right accessories. Ed here is not that bright, and Donatello has the totally wrong head, and Michelangelo is from a whole different cartoon series. Not to mention, one of these doesn't even belong in the same Ninja Turtles universe, so... what can I say? I hope you enjoyed today's segment.
Fun boys playing with fun toys.
Although these weren't that much fun. I think I'm gonna keep the Raphael though. This has been your captain speaking. What? What do you mean? I'm the captain of this flight of a segment, and I'm directing it to where I want it to go. Why can't I say that? Taken. Taken by who? Ooh. Well, no, I don't watch the whole video. I kind of skim through them. I'm so bad at sign-offs. I hope you had a fun time. Ooh. Yeah, that's good. Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that?